हेलो साथीहरू, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वर्ल्ड्स ऑफ स्टोरीज विद एआई। आज हामी यस वीडियो मा कक्षा 8 मा हुन गए को बेसिक लेवल एग्जामिनेशन BLE 2082 साल को कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट को मॉडल क्वेश्चंस 9 एंड 10 को वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन को सोल्यूशन गर्दै छ। तपाईहरु आंसर्स कॉपी मा नोट गरी हाल्नु फ्रेंड्स। ल अब शुरू गर। सेट 9 को सोल्यूशन। एक, who is Lady Ada? Lady Ada is Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer who wrote the first algorithm for Charles Babbage's analytical engine. 2. Which networks covers a very small geographical area? PAN, Personal Area Network. 3. What value or data does an analog computer measure? An analog computer measures physical values like temperature, speed, pressure or voltage. 4. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. 5. What is computer ethics? Computer ethics is the study of moral principles and rules for using computers responsibly. 6. In which generation was vacuum tube introduced? First generation of computer. 7. How many nibbles make one bite? 2 nibbles. 8. What is the base radix of binary number system? The base radix of the binary number system is 2. 9. Write the full form of the following. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. ENIAC. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. WAN Wide Area Network. DOS Disk Operating System. अब मॉडल सेट 10 को सोल्यूशन हेर्नु भन्दा अगाडि तपाईलाई यो भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो कमेन्ट गर्नु र च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु। ल सुरु गरौँ साथीहरू। क्वेश्चन्स यस प्रकार छन्। 1. Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage. 2. What is the name of first electromechanical computer? Juice Z3, built by Conrad Juice. 3. Which network is known as network of networks? Internet. 4. What do you call the first page of website? Home page. 5. In which number system does the digital computer works? Digital computer. 6. How many numbers are there in binary number system? Right. The binary number system has two numbers, 0 and 1. 7. Write down any two photo editing software. Adobe Photoshop and CorelDRAW. 8. What is multimedia? Multimedia is the use of text, images, audio, video and animation together to convey information. 9. Write the full forms of www. World Wide Web. GUI. Graphical User Interface. UNIVAC. Universal Automatic Computer. MS-DOS. Microsoft Disk Operating System. तपाईलाई भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो कमेन्ट गर्नु र च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु। धन्यवाद।